Palladio University. Today I'm going to teach you how to contour in a way that lasts all day using our Build and Blend contour sticks. There are 4 shades to choose from. You want to select one that's a bit darker than your client's skin tone. Each one comes with a built-in sponge applicator. Cream contour will allow you to create a more defined look versus using powder contour alone. The most important thing to remember before you begin is that you want the skin to not have any powder products beforehand, as cream will glide easiest on top of cream. On Taylor, we'll be using the shade Cinnamon and blending with a foundation brush. To determine placement, the easiest way to do so is if we imagine that we have a line that goes from the middle of the ear to the corner of the mouth. Right below the cheekbone is where we're going to apply the product. Tracing a line right below the cheekbone. We're gonna go across the hairline on her forehead. A little bit also below her jaw to define it. To make the lips look powderier, you can apply a little bit right below the lower lips. With the foundation brush, blend this line upward into the area where we applied blush. Look at that. We are blending the bottom line downward into the neck, and then the top line into the hairline. Also remember to blend out the contour underneath her lower lip. And this is how to create a perfectly defined look for your client using the Palladio contour sticks.